Number 9, we're doing this graphically also. I'm going to go ahead and graph this one on our calculator. So if we graph this, we have this rational function that has a couple of asymptotes. And for this problem, I'm trying to find the limit as x approaches 2. Well, from the left side, as x approaches 2, the limit is, or the function is approaching negative infinity. From the right side, it's approaching positive infinity. So we're not approaching the same thing from both sides, so this is another example of a limit that does not exist. Right, we have an asymptote right here, and it's approaching two different things from each side of the graph. So the limit does not exist. Let's take a look at number 10. For this one, the limit as x approaches 1. From the left side, as we get closer and closer to an x value of 1, our y value is getting closer and closer to 3. From the right side, as we get closer and closer to an x value of 1, the y value is approaching 3. Since we're approaching the same thing from both sides, that's our limit. Doesn't matter if we get there, there's a hole there, so it's not actually a point on the graph. As long as we're approaching the same thing from both sides, that's our limit.